Crikey, it's Dingo McCrocy back caught on AP Human Geography class. Now today, I'm going to be teaching you kids about two little things called determinism and possibilism. The first topic we'll be discussing is determinism. Now, determinism was first discovered by Plato and Aristotle back in the 15th century. They decided that human actions and the environment were directly related. Determinism happens all over the globe. In fact, determinism is fully determined on where you're looking. For example, if a squash lived in a temperate environment, he'd be more likely to be determined and hard-working.
Farming's hard work, especially when you gambled all your money away for alcohol and drugs. Wife's gonna be upset.
Another example of determinism would be if a Scotch was born in a tropical environment, he'd be more likely to be lazy. Now you might be thinking, Dingo, why would people in a tropical environment be lazy? Well, let me tell you. The belief started because geographers started connecting the laid-back lifestyle of Jamaicans to the tropical environment. That's crikey, right? Moving on, if a Sasquatch lived in a cold environment, he'd be more likely to be smart and be friends with penguins.
It's so cold out here in Antarctica. Wish I had some penguin friends over here, but Canada took them all. Wait a minute. I'll just move over here and be warm.
Now, Sasquatches in cold environments have to be smart because they have to find ways to survive the harsh weather they live in. And you may think, Dingo, you're from a hot climate. And guess what? That's why I'm stupid. Alright, now that we're done with that, you might be thinking to yourself, Dingo, that's determinism thing sounds a little racist. Well, you're right. Determinism is a large cause of racism because people believe that everyone from certain areas of the world will always behave in certain ways. Now that we're done with examples, let me tell you a little bit about determinism itself. Determinism became very prominent in the late 19th century and the early 20th century. The main geographer who made this happen was Friedrich Ratzel. Alright, now that you've got determinism down and can identify examples of it, we can move on to the next topic. Possibilism. Now, possibilism is the theory that the environment sets certain constrictions on human actions, but does not ultimately determine them. So, unlike determinism, possibilism only restricts people from doing certain things. Instead of ruling that they will only behave in a certain way, possibilism is mainly associated with Vidal de la Bloch, a French geographer who developed possibilism as a response to environmental determinism. Like determinism, possibilism occurs all over the world and changes based on where you look. For example, if a squash lived in an environment that suffers from constant droughts, he'd still be able to do several things that other environments can do, but the droughts would inconvenience him.
So hot out in this Sahara desert. So hot. There's no water for miles. Wait a minute. Is this a fridge? Oh, cool.
Another example of possibilism would be if a Sasquatch lived in an environment by poverty. It would be hard to move up the social ladder and out of poverty, but still, it would be possible.
This pizza box might be my only home, but that doesn't mean I can't climb up the social ladder.
Any example example of plausibilism or inconvenience to Squatch, but not completely determine what his behaviours would be in his environment. Plausibilism and determinism are very similar. But remember these two things. Determinism determines the Squatch's only behaviour, and plausibilism gives the Sasquatch several possible behaviours. This is Dingo McCrocy, court-ordered AP Human Geography class, and I just want to tell you, thank you for supporting me while I'm in jail.